Hi fellow travelers and food lovers. Today we journey together into the culinary delights of Poland. Polish food is really interesting. It's a culinary journey that takes you through centuries of tradition and innovation. Polish cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors and stories, from the bustling markets filled with fresh produce to the cozy kitchens where grandmothers pass down secret recipes. It's a mix of simple, hearty meals and fancy cooking. You can find rustic dishes that have been enjoyed for generations, as well as modern interpretations that bring a new twist to old favorites. Whether you're dining in a humble countryside inn or a high-end restaurant in the city, Polish food offers something for everyone. Because of Poland's history and where it is on the map, Polish food is becoming popular again. The country's rich culinary heritage is being rediscovered and celebrated, both at home and abroad. Festivals dedicated to Polish cuisine are popping up all over the world, showcasing the unique flavors and ingredients that make this food so special. Chefs are making old recipes new and showing off special foods from different parts of Poland. From yummy pierogi dumplings to smoky Kielbasa sausage, these dishes are being reimagined in exciting ways. Innovative chefs are blending traditional techniques with modern culinary trends, creating dishes that are both nostalgic and cutting-edge. Polish food is a great adventure for anyone who loves to eat. It's not just about the food itself, but the experience of sharing a meal with friends and family. Food festivals, tasting events, and culinary tours offer a chance to explore the diverse flavors of Poland and learn about the culture and history behind each dish. Poland has good farmland and different kinds of weather, so there are lots of fresh ingredients. The country's fertile soil and varied climate allow for a wide range of crops to be grown, from hardy root vegetables to delicate fruits. This abundance of fresh produce is a cornerstone of Polish cuisine, ensuring that dishes are always flavorful and nutritious. Plus, different cultures have influenced Polish food over the years, making it even more interesting. The country's location at the crossroads of Europe has brought a variety of culinary influences from neighboring countries and beyond. This melting pot of flavors has resulted in a cuisine that is rich, diverse, and constantly evolving. Come with us as we explore Polish food culture. We'll take you on a journey through the heart of Poland, visiting local markets, traditional kitchens, and modern restaurants. Along the way, you'll meet the people who are passionate about preserving and innovating Polish cuisine. We'll look at famous dishes, how people eat, and some hidden surprises. From the iconic pierogi to lesser-known regional specialties, there's always something new to discover. We'll also explore the customs and traditions that make Polish dining so unique, from festive holiday feasts to everyday family meals. Get ready to try some amazing Polish food. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just curious about new flavors, Polish cuisine has something to offer. So grab a fork and join us on this delicious adventure through the world of Polish food. You can't talk about Polish food without talking about pierogi. These little dumplings are super popular in Poland. People eat them all year round for everyday meals and special occasions. Pierogi are made with a simple dough of flour, water, and sometimes eggs. It's rolled flat and cut into circles. The best part is the filling. There are so many different kinds, just like Polish food itself. You can find pierogi filled with potato and cheese, sauerkraut and mushrooms, or even meat. If you like sweet things, try blueberry or sweet cheese pierogi. You can boil them, fry them, or bake them. Pierogi are a great example of how creative Polish cooks are, and you definitely have to try them. Kielbasa is the Polish word for sausage. But it's not just any sausage, it's a symbol of Polish culinary heritage and pride. The word itself evokes images of hearty meals, family gatherings, and centuries-old traditions. It's another really important part of Polish food. In Poland, kielbasa is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of flavors and a testament to the country's rich history. Whether it's served at a festive holiday table or a casual family dinner, kielbasa brings people together. But it's not just any sausage. Kielbasa is a big food tradition, with lots of different kinds depending on where you are in Poland. Each region boasts its own unique variety, reflecting local tastes and ingredients. From the smoky flavors of the mountains to the milder urban-fused sausages of the plains, there's a kielbasa for every palate. Each kind has its own special spices and way of smoking it. The process of making kielbasa is an art form, with recipes often passed down through generations. The choice of spices, the type of wood used for smoking, and the curing time all contribute to the final product's distinctive taste and aroma. There's Krakowiacy kielbasa, which has a mild flavor with a little bit of garlic. Named after the city of Krakow, this sausage is known for its fine texture and subtle seasoning. It's often enjoyed sliced thin and served with bread and mustard, and there's Kabanosy, a very smoky sausage that's perfect for a snack. These thin, dry sausages are seasoned with caraway seeds and have a satisfying snap when you bite into them. They're a popular choice for picnics and road trips, offering a convenient and flavorful snack on the go. In the countryside, making Kielbasa is a special tradition that families pass down. It's a communal activity, often involving the entire family. From selecting the best cuts of meat to mixing the spices and stuffing the casings, each step is done with care and precision. They have secret recipes and ways of smoking the sausage. These family secrets are closely guarded, ensuring that each batch of Kielbasa retains its unique character. The smoking process in particular is a critical step, with different families using different types of wood and smoking techniques to achieve their desired flavor. You can grill Kielbasa, fry it, or put it in stews and soups. Its versatility makes it a staple in Polish cuisine. Grilled Kielbasa is a favorite at summer barbecues, while fried Kielbasa pairs perfectly with eggs for a hearty breakfast. In stews and soups, Kielbasa adds a rich, smoky depth of flavor that enhances the entire dish. It's a big part of Polish food and shows how much Polish people love savory flavors. The love for Kielbasa is evident in the way it's celebrated in Polish culture. From festivals dedicated to this beloved sausage to its prominent place in everyday meals, Kielbasa is a true reflection of Poland's culinary soul. Let's go to the Tatra Mountains in southern Poland. There you'll find Oscypek, a special smoked cheese that's a symbol of Polish food. It's made from the milk of sheep that eat grass high in the mountains. Oscypek shows how shepherds have made cheese for many years. They shape the cheese by hand and then smoke it over a fire. This gives it a strong, smoky smell and a salty flavor. Oscypek is so special that the European Union gave it a protected designation of origin. That means it has to be made in a traditional way. You can eat Oscypek by itself, grill it until it's melty, or have it with other Polish cheeses. It's a taste of the mountains and Poland's history. If you really want to learn about Polish food, go to local markets, milk bars, and street food stalls. These places are the heart and soul of Polish culinary culture, offering a glimpse into the daily lives and traditions of the people. Markets like Hala Morawska in Warsaw are bustling hubs where you can find a variety of fresh produce, meats, cheeses, and traditional products. The vibrant atmosphere is filled with the sounds of vendors calling out their wares and the chatter of locals haggling for the best prices. Or visit the Sukienniczy Cloth Hall in Krakow, a historic market that has been a center of trade for centuries. Here you can explore stalls brimming with handcrafted goods, local delicacies, and unique souvenirs. The architecture itself is a sight to behold, with its grand arches and intricate details. These markets are full of fresh food, from vibrant fruits and vegetables to freshly baked bread and pastries. The quality and variety of the produce are a testament to Poland's rich agricultural heritage. You'll also find special treats from different parts of Poland, such as smoked sausages, pickled vegetables, and regional cheeses. Each region has its own unique flavors and specialties, making every visit to the market a new adventure. And if you want real Polish home cooking that's not expensive, try a bar mleczny, or milk bar. These places are from the communist times and have retained their charm and affordability. They offer a taste of traditional Polish cuisine that is both hearty and comforting. At a milk bar you can enjoy big, cheap meals like pierogi, which are delicious dumplings filled with a variety of ingredients such as potatoes, cheese, meat, or even fruit. Polish pancakes, known as naleśniki, are another popular choice, often served with sweet or savory fillings. And if you want a quick snack, street food stalls have lots of choices. These stalls are perfect for grabbing a bite on the go, offering a range of tasty and convenient options. One popular street food is zapiekanki, which are open-faced sandwiches topped with mushrooms, cheese, and a variety of other ingredients. They are often drizzled with ketchup or garlic sauce, making them a flavorful and satisfying snack. Another must-try is grilled Oscypek, a smoked cheese made from sheep's milk. This cheese is often served with cranberry sauce, creating a delightful combination of smoky and sweet flavors. These food adventures show you what Polish food is really like. You can meet local people, try special foods, and experience the real taste of Poland. Whether you're exploring a bustling market, dining at a cozy milk bar, or sampling street food, you'll discover the rich and diverse culinary traditions that make Polish cuisine so special. There you have it, folks. Poland's culinary journey through traditional dishes you want to try when you're in the country. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe for travel tips. It goes a long way. Thanks. If you're excited to visit Poland and try these beautiful foods, like the video. Leave a comment below and let us know which one is your favorite. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us. Until next time, safe travels and stay safe.